डंबल की दे दिया.
Tries to take on off his balance and given as out umpire. Was looking a little restless. Being favored all over the park for. Taken away, found the gap, beautiful. Beautiful piece of his mind, beautiful work of his mind. In any miss time? Takes on, face to take on. The bowler takes on him and tries of catches. His stride is full. Marks for you and yes, no, there's a little confusion. Harsha standing.
Spinner moves across. Again, the ball was kept low, and he's bowled. Again, pitch. It was a Jaffa. As soon as he released the ball, you could have heard. Cries of catches and a comfortable. Takes on. Is any fielder in that region? Can he get? Yes, he's picked the gap fine. Slashed it. Fielder needs to run behind the ball. He runs. Full toss. Has it gone the distance? And was given a bound. Pulled across and is going for 4. And yes, it is. What the fielder. Past the keeper was quick. And collects a boundary again. Played well. Fielder coming in. Can he take it? And he's dropped. 4. Finally. Finds a little edge. Fielder running. Can he get it? Can only get it. Moves across and the pace up. Are they looking for 2? Is it gone? And easy. You have to run across. Come back. Takes on. Pull across the leg side. And 4. Tickled it moving across the keeper. Three fielders chasing. Who can get? Oh, the ball can get. Who's quick? And yes, the ball's quick. Hundreds up, running too far. And it's dropped. It's off his ground and they wanted to collect the third run. New. Here the ICC 11 are trying. Was little short and didn't take him. Welcome runs. Wax on. Is the fielder getting in? He got in but drops the. Slams it into the boundary, pays respect. He got. Takes it. And it's a 6. First 6. Nothing comes for free. It's the two-way policy. In accounting, you call it dual aspect. Takes on a. Oh, hello. Maro. Like to implement. Takes on. Has it gone the distance? Yes, it has gone the distance. Taking guard, pulls across, and they don't put much effort in running. Takes on, slashes it, opening the face of the bat, and it's gone for the boundary. Appeal for out, and he's been given finally. Whacks it. It's gone like a bullet. Tried well. And it's flat. Slashed it. Fielders chasing. The fielder was kept fine on the covers boundary and is gone. No fielder in there. So they would take a stroll on pitch. And clears his one leg and has picked the gap again for 4 consecutive boundaries. For flicks it well. Very well played. Diligently. Pulled it on the leg side. And 4. Good afternoon. Here we are for the post-match. Good afternoon. Here we are for the post-match presentation ceremony of 11th match. Firstly, to begin with the post-match presentation ceremony, we would like to thank our sponsors who have supported us: Hell Rockers, Foursquare Sports, R11, RR Stones, MSR Tipper Services, to take you down through the gist of the 11th match, where ICC 11 had won the toss and elected to bat first, putting on a total. They have managed a little hard time for them, where they couldn't settle down in today's match. We've got the captain on my left, who's unfortunate for the demise today. So far you've played 4 matches until now and only managed to win 1. A bad note for you, a hard time.
Yeah, it happens sometimes with the team, it's a bad patch. I think today's game was no different. We were definitely looking forward to bat first, but the wicket turns out to be sticking. all credit to the opponent team. They moved very well, Zoni, Langley, and yeah, I mean, just move forward from here as a team and try to do well in the coming matches.
Definitely a bad day, but would you think the fielding would have been much better? Because unusual to see your fielding today from the previous match. Yeah, because the bowling, how Bhupender and the others contributed when you were on 136 or 136 odd runs, you managed to pluck out blinders and managed to win. And today's fielding was a little ordinary for you to be.
It happens sometimes with the team, you know, when you don't have enough runs on the board and you haven't gotten some early wickets, the morale goes down, and that has happened with our team. But I've seen this team fighting. I'm very, very proud of the boys that they will come back strong here. It's just a bad day.
Definitely would not take much of your time. Thank you, and hope you bounce back stronger.
Thank you.
So I'd request firstly the man of the match here, who's present with me, Sudhir Bhupati, to accompany me here along with me. Congratulations, brilliant bowling by you, absolutely magnificent figures, 4 overs bowled, 23 runs conceded and 2 wickets, very economical to be considered in the shorter format of the game. How would you feel about it?
Thank you, firstly. And I would say, see, I concentrate mainly on giving the economy runs, keeping the runs as much less as possible. And I'm happy that I have taken 2 wickets and contributed to the team in bowling economy figures.
As an all-rounder, you've also managed to score 17 runs. Unfortunate that you have hurt yourself on your hand. How is it, firstly, to ask you with your hand?
My finger is working, it is doing good, but I was enjoying my batting after a long time. I'm getting a chance to bat in this team because our team bats too deep, and this is one-off chance that I get, and I have scored 17 runs. I'm very happy.
As a man of the match and as a part of team, Chandu isn't very expressive as a captain. He looks very calm and composed. But when you go on to bat and on field, is he aggressive or he just keeps the squad calm down?
No, by nature he is a very calm guy. He keeps us grounded on the field, and he is very composed on the field. And his nature is like that. It spreads all over the team.
That was very evident on the field as well. So to felicitate you with the man of the match, I invite the captain of ICC 11, Abhay, to give away the man of the match what you deserve.